House design using local resources and integration between the interior with the surrounding nature. Introduction: Designing a home that's one with nature. Welcome to the Decor Essence YouTube channel, where we bring you the most inspiring home decoration ideas. In today's video, we're diving into the beauty and practicality of house design using local resources and how architects and designers can achieve a seamless integration between the interior and the surrounding nature. When designing homes, it's not just about what's on the inside, it's also about how the home connects with its environment, making use of the local materials and the landscape itself. This approach not only creates an aesthetically pleasing space but also promotes sustainability and enhances the living experience. If you're passionate about creating homes that are in harmony with nature, make sure to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's explore how using local resources and designing with nature in mind can transform your living space. The philosophy of using local resources in home design. The core philosophy behind using local resources in home design is deeply rooted in sustainability and environmental responsibility. By choosing materials that are indigenous to the area, architects can reduce the environmental impact of transporting materials long distances, thus lowering the carbon footprint of the construction process. Furthermore, local materials tend to blend more naturally with the surrounding environment, creating a seamless connection between the home and its surroundings. Whether it's local stone, wood, or clay, these materials not only Connecting interior spaces with the outdoors. One of the most remarkable aspects of homes designed with local resources is their ability to connect interior spaces with the outdoors. By focusing on the natural landscape and the local environment, designers create a sense of unity between the interior of the home and the world outside. Large, open windows, sliding glass doors, and wide verandas invite natural light into the home while framing views of the surrounding nature. This approach allows homeowners to feel connected to the outdoors, even while inside. The use of maximizing natural light and ventilation. Incorporating natural light and ventilation into the design of a home is not just about energy efficiency, it's also about enhancing the overall living experience. Homes designed with local resources and an emphasis on nature often feature large windows and open floor plans, allowing sunlight to penetrate deep into the heart of the home. The natural light that floods these spaces not only makes the home feel more spacious but also reduces the need for artificial lighting, lowering energy consumption. Additionally, well-placed windows and vents encourage natural airflow, creating a Materials and techniques that reflect the surrounding nature. When designing a home that integrates well with its surroundings, materials and construction techniques must reflect the unique character of the landscape. For example, in areas with a rich natural heritage, homes may feature stone facades, wooden beams, and thatch roofs, all of which are local building traditions passed down through generations. These materials help the house to blend into the natural surroundings while reflecting the local climate and culture. For instance, in coastal areas, homes may be constructed with materials that are resistant to saltwater. Landscape design, a natural extension of the home. Landscape design is a crucial element in homes that seek to integrate with the environment. By designing outdoor spaces that reflect the local landscape, architects ensure that the home feels like a natural extension of the land. Rather than using exotic plants and artificial features, the design often incorporates native plants that require little maintenance and thrive in the local climate. This approach creates a harmonious balance between the home and its surrounding environment, enhancing biodiversity and supporting the local ecosystem. Whether it's creating Creating sustainable homes with local resources. Sustainability is a cornerstone of designing homes with local resources. When local materials are used, they not only reduce the carbon footprint but also encourage energy-efficient construction practices. Sustainable homes often incorporate features such as rainwater harvesting systems, solar panels, and green roofs, all of which make the home more self-sufficient and environmentally friendly. The use of local materials ensures that the home is in harmony with the local climate, reducing the need for energy-consuming systems like air conditioning or artificial heating. For example, customizing interiors with local craftsmanship. One of the joys of using local resources is the opportunity to incorporate local craftsmanship into the interior design. Handmade furniture, locally woven textiles, and artisan finishes can transform a home, making it unique and full of character. Custom furniture pieces crafted by local artisans are not only functional but also serve as works of art that showcase the traditions and skills of the area. Local pottery, handcrafted lighting, and region-specific textiles help to bring the spirit of the place. Environmental and emotional benefits of nature-inspired design. The integration of nature into home design has profound environmental and emotional benefits. Biophilic design, which connects people with nature, has been shown to improve mental well-being and reduce stress. Natural elements such as wood, stone, and plants are not just visually appealing, they have a calming effect on the human mind. Being surrounded by nature has been scientifically proven to improve productivity, boost creativity, and enhance overall happiness. By designing a home that's fully connected, Conclusion: a home that reflects its environment. In conclusion, house design using local resources and an integration between the interior and the surrounding nature creates a harmonious living environment that is both sustainable and enriching. The thoughtful use of local materials and design techniques ensures that the home becomes a natural extension of the landscape, reflecting the culture, climate, and geography of the area. These homes not only benefit the environment but also offer an emotionally fulfilling living experience that connects the residents to the world outside. If you are inspired by this approach to home design, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Decor.